Hello and welcome to another Fundamental Friday. This week we'll discuss Synthetix. Synthetix is built on the Ethereum blockchain. It's the ERC20 token. This is their main website, synthetix.io. As they explain themselves, Synthetix is the backbone for derivatives trading in the DeFi, allowing anyone, anywhere to gain on-chain exposure to a vast range of assets. So what they're practically doing is digitalizing assets like gold, Tesla stock, other stocks. So you don't need centralized exchanges anymore, but this is decentralized exchange that is tracking the prices of real life assets, stocks and gold, as I just said. And next to that, it is also a decentralized exchange where you can buy other currencies. So they are already over 2 billion locked in value in Synthetix. You can build your own synths, which are synthetic, so you can create your own real world asset that it tracks. There is different ways to earn. One of them is staking, other by providing liquidity and by trading, real world assets or cryptocurrencies. These are their partners. Now let's go into the material. Synthetix is a decentralized synthetic asset insurance protocol built on Ethereum. So as I just explained, you can trade cryptocurrencies here, but you can also create real world assets that are backed. These Synthetix assets are collateralized by synthetic network token, so that's their own token, which when locked in contract enables the insurance of synthetic asset synths. So synths are really the digital version of real world assets, and they're easily recognized because there will be an S in front of the asset. So you will have S Tesla, you will have S gold, you will have S silver, and name whatever commodity or stock. Synthetix currently supports synthetic fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, long and short. So you can go long, and which means you bet that the market goes up, or you can go short and bet that the market goes down. And also for shorting, Synthetix has an opportunity to build assets that follow the market when it goes down, and they're called inverse. So they do the opposite of when the market goes up and you buy an inverse, you will lose money, but when the market will go down and you buy an inverse, you will gain money. So it bets against the market, let's say. So these products are built on synthetic and bet against the market. And instead of the S in front of it, they will get the I in front of it. So you get I gold, you get I Tesla, you get I Apple, you get I Microsoft, and go on. Synthetix holders are incentivized to stake their tokens as they are paid pro rata proportion of the fees generated through the activity on Synthetix. So when there are trades taking place, the people that trade pay a fee, and this fee goes to the stakers of Synthetix. And to trade on the Synthetix exchange, you only have to connect an Ethereum wallet or the MetaMask to this exchange, and you can trade, and you don't need any SNX. Then why SNX holders stake? SNX holders are incentivized to stake their tokens and to mint synths in several ways. Firstly, there are exchange rewards. So the exchange rewards are the fees that are on the exchange. And another word for minting is creating. So if you're minting on Ethereum, Synthetix is built on Ethereum. So the synthetic token that is built on the Ethereum is minted there. So minted is just another word for creation of a cryptocurrency on another blockchain. The other initiative for SNX holders to stake mint is SNX staking rewards, which comes from the protocol inflationary monetary policy. So what the network does as well is that they take in consideration inflation. So let's say you hold 100 Synthetix every year until the 2023, you will get 1.25% per year more, because that's what they consider the inflation for the upcoming years. And after 2023, they increase it to 2.5%. So each year you already get like a basic return of 2.5%, and on top of that you can receive the fees that are distributed under the stakers. So this is a very nice way of making sure that your money is not losing value because it follows the inflation rate. Then that was that. Then we go to the overview. What I wanted to discuss here is a deeper view of what I told you about the synthetic assets. So the synthetic assets are real world assets that are on the synthetic exchange, as I said, with the S in front of it. So that can be Forex, so foreign exchange. So these are currency pairs. So you can have S US dollar against the Australian dollar, or you can have S euro against the Great Britain British pound. Commodities, as I said, gold. So you will have S gold, S silver. You can have crypto, which you get S Bitcoin, S Litecoin, S Ripple. Indexes are funds that are tracking the prices of a group of stocks, so or a country. So you have the Nasdaq, which is an index. You have the Dow Jones, which is an index, and so every country has its own index. And next to that, I wanted to discuss the inverse, as I told. So the iSynths inversely track the price of assets via price feeds supplied by either Synthetix Oracle and the Synthetix Oracle, or the Chainlink's Oracle network on the distributed node operator. So as I earlier discussed in another video regarding Chainlink is an Oracle, it's not a blockchain. And what it does is that it takes real life data as the price of Tesla, Apple, and gold, and will move it to, for example, the Synthetix platform. So you all the time have tracked the price of the real life data. They allow traders to efficiently take a short position and are currently available for crypto synths and index synths. So you can now short indexes and you can short cryptos. And it seems that for example, the stocks and the commodities, they don't yet have the inverse options. If you want to know more about shorting, I can recommend you many videos. But yeah, basically when the gold price drops and you own an inverse, you're earning money on the fact that the gold price drops. The same for Tesla and other financial assets. I couldn't really find a page regarding the team of Synthetix. I only could find the founder, and what I found about the founder is that his location is in Sydney, Australia. And he is from there. He personally has some other investments in other companies as well. So it's not that Synthetix is one and only company. And furthermore, I couldn't really find, they're all blockchain related, but I couldn't find any more information about him or the team that works on Synthetix. Then let's go to their Twitter. Here is their Twitter. They have 95,000 followers. The last message that they posted is August 2020. Oh no, I see that they provided more articles that are more recent. So yeah, they seem quite active. I made a mistake, but yeah, they seem quite active. They have a lot of followers, and yeah, you can follow them for the latest information. Then let's go to the price information, something you all find interesting, obviously. So Synthetix had a very slow start. They started their project in 2018. That was obviously the bear market, so it's normal that there was not a lot of interest in the currency. But they kept improving the system. They kept adding assets. and now we can see a nice growth since half June, and we are already moved from 80 cents to $22. So if you were in there early, you could have made some nice profits. Then let's go to the maximum supply, which is 200 million, which is a very limited supply. So that also gives me the idea that the price might go up, just like a Compound and Balancer, which are other DEXs that are already around the $400, $500 mark. Currently we have 150 million in circulating supply. So this also indicates for me that this can follow Balancer and what was the other one that I mentioned? Balancer and well, the other DEXs. So $400 to $500 should be definitely feasible. Then we can go to TradingView, where we can see a very nice trend line, also since the beginning of this year, which it follows and touches once in a while. And as I earlier said, I really expect a $300 to $400 price level for this bull market. And well, if you look over it for multiple years after this, I can expect way more higher price targets. So let me know what you think about this video. I hope it was helpful, and yeah, have a nice weekend. Bye.